I'm sure you prefer the term publishing artist instead of me.
You're not? What can two men reproduce?
No. But God knows we keep trying. This isn't you, Dan. It's like you're channeling Anita and Briggs. You've got to be able to work together.